Today we're changing the air filter on this 2009 Camry Hybrid. This box says Hybrid Synergy Drive. The box behind it is where the air filter is housed. So we're going to use I think it's a 10mm socket to remove these two bolts, and we should be able to pull out the old air filter. Doesn't look very dirty. A little dirtier underneath. Some dirt in between. Easy enough, cheap enough to replace, so we're going to replace it today. So on our factory filter, it's clearly marked front, and on all corners it's rounded, like a pretty big radius, except for this front right corner. It's kind of more square. So our replacement filter we're using is from WIX, and we're going to use that same shape to let us know this is the front right corner, because all the other corners are large radius corners. So this will be the way the new filter goes in. I'll put part numbers and links to this filter in the description. We're just going to lift this up, slide it in. In. Just going to close it up, and then we'll retighten these bolts. We got a hawk in the neighborhood. As we snug up the bolts on this air filter box, we're just about done. This is an easy DIY, and I hope it gives you the confidence to tackle it on your own and save a little money. Please like and subscribe, leave comments if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.